I'm in a kayak, as you can see right here. Check it out. It's late in the day right now, and look, this video, I've been fishing for 3 days, late afternoons, very hot outside. My goal is to get a fish over 5 pounds. And I am not going to spoil it for you, but I've been grinding out here to try to catch fish. But look, stay tuned, check out this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. Got one. There we go. All right, let's see what we got here. Pretty decent bass. Got off. See if we can try that again. That was a nice fish. It's probably about 2.5 pounds, maybe, if not bigger. I'll say 2.5. Oh, something hit it. Got him. Let's see what we got. Oh man. Okay, that's second fish in a row. Oh boys, I know what I need to do is slow down and not try to force the fish in. I'm just getting too excited about it. I'm just getting way too excited. My hook is gone. That's the problem. Look at it. There's no way I'm gonna fish like that. So what happened? The fish took the hook. Hopefully that'll come out of the fish. Oh boy, I about went. Yeah, I about hit the water that time. That's definitely not smart. Got one. Pretty decent. Here we go. Oh, daggone, he got off, man. That was a nice fish. Got off. Gracious boys and girls, I can't keep doing that. Got one. Here we go. It's a little guy. All right, a little bitty. There we go. Nice fish right here, boy. Hey. Right by the boat. All right, let's see what we got. Whew. Got him. Nice fish, man. That's more like it right there, guys. Check it out. Look how beautiful that fish is. Top of the mouth. This guy hit it right by the boat. Nice, nice. It's heavy. All right, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful fish. gone. Got another one. Here we go. Guy's pulling a boat. Turtle. Oh, dink on it. This guy snaps too. How did I get a turtle? Hey, buddy. All right, he's gone. Man, I thought it was a big bass. No, it was a turtle. I don't know how in the world I got a turtle with this lure. Oh, here we go. Here we go, right here. Let's see what we got. It's coming. Man, lost that fish. I horsed him in too quick. Let's see if we get another one in that same spot. Got one. Here we go, guys. Yeah, oh my gosh. That was a nice fish. I'm not getting a good hook set in this kayak. I need to get better at it. That's one problem. I'm not getting a good hook set. Man, that's a nice fish. Got one. All right, guys. Feels big. Feels big. Yeah. Good one. Well, come on. Got him. Man, I'm about to lose my. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Big old fish. Whew. Check that out right there. That's a nice one. That's a nice fish right there, boys and girls. Man, this thing is fat, it's short and stocky. Let's weigh it. All right. Fish weighs 6 pounds, 6.2. 6.2. Back in water for a minute. Oh man. Oh, I mean, this thing's a football. Check that out. This fish is a football right here on a kayak. Been trying hard for the past 2 hours to catch a big bass like this, and finally caught a big bass. Woo! What a nice 6 pound bass. I mean, this is a beautiful, beautiful fish, man. The thing's been eating really, really good. Check out the mouth on this thing. Nice, nice fish. All right, go ahead and let her go. Get a little on camera. She's gone. I just caught that 6 pound bass. Now I'm gonna head back to the house. I wanna thank you so much for tuning in and joining me on this video. If you wanna see another cool video, check out this video right above my head. And thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you on the next one.